Rolls. Remember, this is the resurrection day, right? What happened on resurrection day?
He rose again.
Yes. So we're going to make a tomb, like Jesus was buried in the tomb, right?
Yes.
We're going to pretend to bury his body in these pretend tombs, and we're going to bake them and see what happens. Okay, you guys ready to do that?
Yes.
So all you need is, look, hold on, croissant rolls, some marshmallows, some melted butter, and some cinnamon and sugar mix. Okay? We're going to, oh, and this is a spice. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Did you read in the story when Aunt Charity read this morning about Jesus' body had spices on them?
Yeah. What is
Kind of
spice?
like this. Smell it. The spice is like this, like a cinnamon. It says it in the Bible. They put spices.
I don't want to eat the spice.
You don't have to.
It's cinnamon.
It's a good one. And we mix
Can
it with
I open
sugar. Yeah, you can open that one.
Now do I bang it?
Yep, bang it.
I did it.
Okay, now, did you guys just wash your hands, yes or no?
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
everyone gets one triangle. We're going to make a tomb.
I can't. That's not what you
Okay,
do.
Zoe gets a
Let me peel
triangle.
You have to peel it. Oh. Peel it.
Sophia gets a triangle. Joy.
It's all mushy.
So here's how we're going to do it.
Pizza.
Watch me, and then Zoe's going to go first. So you take one marshmallow.
One marshmallow.
Watch me, I'm going to do it first. Dip it in
That's
butter,
a lot.
a little bit of sugar.
That's a lot.
Put it in the tomb. We put spices on Jesus' body. We're just pretending, right? Jesus' body. And then we're going to roll it up. Like the tomb was rolled, right? And just wrap it up in there. And then we can decorate it a little bit more butter. And a little bit more cinnamon sugar.
Yummy.
Ooh.
Yummy.
And then we're putting it in a greased cupcake pan. And then we're going to bake it and see what happens. Okay? So take a marshmallow. Everyone take a marshmallow.
Put it in here.
Dip it in there and then dip it in the cinnamon. Ready?
You can't.
Now put it in your tomb.
Hey, I'm not done. It's slippery. I did.
Okay.
Now roll it up.
I'll put this in the middle. You guys can
Now
reach.
roll it up. And
Oh, she's rolling it up. You're putting Jesus' body in the tomb and you're rolling it up. Shut that tombstone. Okay. Make sure you pinch all the sides so that the marshmallow can't come out. Right?
Will the marshmallow melt?
I don't know. What do you think's gonna happen?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some butter on top of Zoe's. You wanna roll it in the cinnamon again?
Can I roll it?
Sure, hold on.
I can't
Zoe,
make
do
it
hers.
stay.
Okay, your hands are gonna get sticky. It's okay.
I can't make it stay.
Okay, just squeeze the sides. All right, I'm gonna put Zoe's right here.
So, what's that happen?
Hey, Sophia, can you show them what you made? Look.
Oh, I forgot to do a little.
Now, what are you doing next, Sophia? Oh, you forgot the butter for it to stick. Now, we're gonna put them in the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes, and we're gonna come back and see what happens. And then a little bit of cinnamon.
Can you hand me it?
Mm-hmm. There you go. Welcome back! Okay, we're gonna check on our rolls. The timer just went off and we're all ready to open them up and see what's inside.
My dad wants it fake.
Woohoo!
Why does wait, wait,
Oh,
They
so
look
this one
like-
we must not have squeezed good tight.
They
But
look
look how
like
good they look.
That's mine. They look like muffins. I know which one is mine. This one's mine. This like
Yep, that one's
mine.
Joy's.
This
All
one's
right,
mine.
wait, don't
Mine's
touch it. It's
kind of
very
so
hot.
good.
Let me give Joy hers.
I want mine.
Might need a minute to cool off.
It's so big. It turned out like a little marshmallow. Now it's like
Okay, don't
chubby.
open it yet. We're gonna all open them together. Pick one you want.
This one. This one.
Can I cut yours open and see
Oh,
where
yeah.
Jesus' body went?
Yeah. Where's Jesus? It's nowhere. Where'd he go?
It's gone!
Jesus. It melted.
The tomb is empty because Jesus is a...
Why?
Where's the marshmallow?
I don't know.
It's all gone.
I
Yay! Say Happy Easter.
Out.
Can we cut cut yours and see if
Open
yours is
mine.
empty too?
Cut.
All right, bye guys. I hope you have fun making your
ow.
resurrection rolls. Post your pictures down below so I can see. Happy Easter. Enjoy your time with your family.